अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वो सारे स्टूडेंट जो ईटा की तैयारी कर रहे हैं या किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं जिसमें बायोलॉजी उनका मेन सब्जेक्ट है, तो ये वीडियो उनके लिए हेल्पफुल है, क्योंकि मैं हर एक चैप्टर में से MCQs तैयार कर रही हूँ। क्लास 9, 10, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकंड ईयर, ये सारी प्लेलिस्ट आपको MCQs पर मिलेगी और ये सारे के सारे MCQs मेरे अपने बनाए गए हैं, मीन्स के इट्स मेड बाय माई सेल्फ। कोई भी MCQs कहीं से भी नहीं लिया गया, ठीक है। अब चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। MCQs नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी deals with the microscopic analysis of tissue structures in plants and animals? Correct option is option C, histology. MCQs number 2, the scientific discipline that studies the internal structures of organisms in which using of a microscope is not necessary. Correct option is option B, anatomy. MCQs number 3, which of the following branch of biology includes the study of classification as well as scientific naming of organisms? Correct option is option A, taxonomy. MCQs number 4, which of the following pairs is correctly matched with its area of study? Its correct option is option C, embryology, development from fertilized egg. MCQs number 5, the branch of biology which would be most likely employ on both naked eye observations and microscopy to analyze structural features of organism. Its correct option is option B, morphology. MCQs number 6, in the historical context, which scientist first used the term biology in 1736? Its correct option is option C, Carl Linnaeus. MCQs number 7, is there any branch of biology studies the developmental stages of organisms starting from fertilized egg? Correct option is option A, embryology. MCQs number 8, if a biologist is studying fossilized remains of animals to understand extinct species, which specialized field is he working in? Its correct option is paleozoology, option number D. MCQs number 9, which branch of biology specifically deals on how organs and tissues functions in living organisms? Correct option is option B, physiology. MCQs number 10, which of the following accurately represent the hierarchy from general to more specific in biological studies point of view? Correct option is option B, morphology, anatomy, histology. MCQs number 11, which branch of biology investigates how inherited traits are passed from parents to offspring? Correct option is option B, genetics. MCQs number 12, the study of living organisms using principles and laws of physics deals with the option number C, correct है physics, biophysics. MCQs number 9, which branch of biology would most likely involve research on bioenergetics, neuroscience, and observation of light and process in photosynthesis? Its correct option is option C, biophysics. MCQs number 10, a scientific working on analysis the breakdown of drugs in the human body is related to option number C, pharmacology. MCQs number 11, which field of biology study the beneficial and competitive interactions among the animals like bees and ants living in the same ecosystem? Option number B, correct is sociobiology. MCQs number 12, biochemistry basically differs from biophysics in dash. Option number A, correct, focuses on organic compounds and their chemical roles in living organisms. MCQs number 13, which branch is most directly linked with the study of chemical substances involved in respiration and photosynthesis? Its correct option is option B, biochemistry. MCQs number 14. The scientific term entomology is derived from the dash word. Entomon means dash. Option number C correct. A Greek word. Entomon means notched. MCQs number 15. Which branch would most likely be involved in studying the laws governing light observation during photosynthesis? Option number C, biophysics. MCQs number 16. Which of the following correctly matches the scientist with its specialization field? Correct option is option A, Abdul Malik Asmai, animal science field. MCQs number 17. Which scientist work laid the foundation for the classification of plants and animals? Correct option is option C, Al-Jahiz. MCQs number 18. The book Kitab al-Nabatat written by Al-Jahiz is mainly concerned with option number B, plants. MCQs number 19. Who among the given scientists was a surgeon famous for removing stones from urinary bladder? MCQs number C, Abdul Qasim al-Zahrawi. MCQs number 20. Which contributory work of Abu Ali Sina highlights his impact on modern medicine? Correct option is option B. MCQs number 19. Who among the given scientists was a surgeon famous for removing stones from urinary bladder? Correct option is option C, Abdul Malik al-Zahrawi. MCQs number 22. What was the significance use of Abu Ali Sina book Al-Qanun fil Tib? Correct option is option B. It was used as a medical textbook for centuries. MCQs number 23. Which of the following level of organization is correct? Correct option is option D. Atom, molecules, organelles, cells, tissues. MCQs number 24. Living organisms are made up of dash bioelements. Correct option is option A, 16. Which organelle is responsible for providing energy to the cell? Correct option is option B, mitochondria. MCQs number 26. Which element has the second highest percentage after oxygen in body composition? Correct option is option C, carbon. MCQs number 27. Dash level of biological organization includes ribosomes, mitochondria and lysosomes. Correct option is option B, organelle level. MCQs number 28. In plants, which of the following is a correct example of an organ system? Correct option is option A, vascular system. MCQs number 29. Which of the following element makes up 65% of the human body by mass? Correct option is option B, oxygen. MCQs number 30. Which organ system coordinates body activities using electrical signals? Correct option is option B, nervous system. Thank you for watching us and subscribe for more videos.